So guys, I'm going to quickly show you how to identify or how to uncover certain tokens that are in your wallet that are hidden. Sometimes, yeah, there are projects out there that they release and they just tell you to send your Earth wallet address, or they just tell you to send your BNB address. So you just send it, and then they possibly they have distributed the token, but you do not have access to it, or you do not know how or when it was distributed. So I'm going to quickly show you how to have access to them, and then how to make them to show up in your wallet. You are a returning subscriber. Thank you very much for coming back. And if this is your first time on my channel, please, I want you to subscribe so you support this channel. All right, guys. So the first thing we'll have to do is you go to your DApp browser within your Trust Wallet. This is Trust Wallet right now. So you go to your DApp browser, and then you type pool coin. Okay, I already typed it there, so you see. So it's to search for pool coin, and then just click on this. Yes, so it just takes us directly to where we need to be. So once it loads, we just have to find a way to connect your wallet. See, connect here. You have to connect your wallet, and then hit on connect, and then it asks you wallet. You can use wallet connect. You can use go directly to Trust Wallet. So I'm going directly to Trust Wallet, and then my wallet is connected straight off. Now down here is displaying under wallets. Now it's displaying all the tokens, including the hidden ones that are in my wallet. Okay, all the tokens. So basically, what this is what I do when I get here. I just screenshot this interface, and then I send it to my wallet, my gallery. Then I go back to my wallet. I go back to my wallet to look for this token. Okay, so there's one AAI or what. Okay, let me open my gallery. Okay, this is my gallery, and then this is one of the screenshots I made. So let's look for AAL. So what I normally do from here is I go to my browser, my normal browser, my Chrome browser, and search for AAL contract address. So this is this AAL contract address. So it gives here. So right here you see AAL contract address. So I just copy it from here. Then I go back to my Trust Wallet. Of course, I will need to sign in again, of which I have signed in. Then we go to token, add new token, and then we paste. Sorry, it's smart chain. So I just change the network to smart chain. Then I paste. So now it says AAL autofill up, and then I save. Okay, so see, automatically what was distributed via that token, it's in my wallet, but I have not had access to it. I have not been seeing it. So right now it's showing in my wallet, so I can easily go back to my wallet now, and then go down, 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 down. You will see AAL is already showing with the distributed token in it. So I hope this helps you guys to be able to identify and uncover your hidden tokens in your wallet. Thank you very much, and now please subscribe to this channel if you have not, and you can also switch your notification button on. Thank you very much, guys. My name is Webnora.